Hello, my sweet friends. I hope you guys have had a great week. We are ready for week 20 of our Sounds First curriculum for our first graders. And one of the activities that took a slight shift is our manipulating phonemes activity called Change the Sound. We'll be working with the medial vowel sound. The skill is to substitute the medial vowel in a one-syllable word. For example, hat to hot. Students must be able to identify and isolate the phoneme to be changed. Then they must be able to replace it with a new phoneme. Finally, they must pronounce the new word. An important note within this lesson is that lessons in the experiencing stage scaffold towards eventual quick phoneme substitution by making the familiar curve motion outward, isolating the targeted sound with verbal and physical cues. The verbal cues this time will be the medial sound will be stretched, and the physical cue is the fist shake at the top of the curve. So remember, it can be very difficult for students to feel and hear the seams between the sounds. Try it. Pronounce the word hat. While you can feel your mouth change position from one sound to the next, it is quick. Slow the process down. Can you feel how with each sound there is a physical change happening? Because this activity involves the medial vowel sound in words, it is particularly important that you clearly and cleanly model that sound. You can capitalize on this opportunity to reinforce with students how to articulate vowel sounds. Try it with the change from hat to hot. What is the mouth doing when you pronounce the word hat? What is your tongue doing? How is the original sound, ah, different from the new sound, ah? An optional extension is to have students use the new word in a sentence. The directions read, tell students to imagine a word coming out of their mouth. Their job will be to change a sound that they hear to make a new word. So we're going to say the sentence with rhythm and expression. Tell the students to repeat. Say the targeted word. Explain that this is the word on the curve. Say and show the word on the familiar curve. Be sure to pronounce each sound clearly and cleanly. When you reach the top of the curve, stretch the vowel sound and shake your fist. Prompt for a substitution. Make the substitution with students, and then as an extension, invite students to use the new word in a sentence. All right, so the first example, it says, my mother wears a hat when she works in the garden. The students will repeat, my mother wears a hat when she works in the garden. Hat is the word on the curve. And the teacher will say hat. The kids will repeat, hat. Change ah to ah. Do it with me. Hot. Now the teacher will say, hot is the new word on the curve. All right, let's try another one. My bike is broken. I need to fix it so I can go for a ride. The students will repeat, my bike is broken. I need to fix it so I can go for a ride. The teacher will say, fix is the word on the curve. Say, fix. The student will repeat, fix. Change it to ah. Do it with me. Ox. Fox is the new word on the curve. So this one may take a little bit of practice with the new hand motions and that kind of thing. And again, it's tricky. That substitution is tricky. So keep practicing. I know you guys will do an awesome job. I hope you guys have a great week, and we'll talk to you real soon. Thanks. Bye.